only fence can join the Igbo this morning. You get what I want to ask my brothers and my sisters this morning concerning what is happening in this country called Nigeria. Yeah. Obono no nanya na this pitch until eba igafu ife amen na Abuja ndo north yes onwere ebe nwe ike m na demolish one real estate on demolish mgbe nwe ike m na demolish that place mgbe nwe ike m na demolish that real estate the villagers, all those people that are affected, they came out with a very dark man. They came out and they are doing protests. They are doing heavy protests in Abuja, and even very dark man joined them to do that protest. Why are they doing that protest? They are doing that protest because Nigeria government are demolishing their houses, and some of them they came out and do protests with one love. Now, my question I want to ask the Igbos, that Igbos are draw united, Igbos to scattered, Igbos the father scattered, father they are scattered, Igbo to scattered. Now, since Sanwo-Olu near demolish house worth millions of nairas, only born a plot of land 150 million, 250 million na Lagos. The next thing, expenses expenses are making 700 million naira or 800 million naira. Only Boluna na Lagos. Now, how do you need now? Ndi Obacha how will that place for use of political style? Here, I never know now. Here, I never Abuja. Very dark man be within that house. I never protest. Now we can stop your honor. For political power, where demolish that house. I put a video post on my page. A Yoruba pastor, how many times can we go? A Yoruba pastor Natala village. Oga meet him, and they are doing meeting. Nandi Google all the places in Lagos. They are not happy. Hana Chon Hagis will be to Poshasi and Dibo. Na their land. Can take over because half Grandi everywhere. They are not happy, envy, jealousy. Now the pastors know or support to this kind of thing. Ndibo, do not force you people to sell this land to them. Now, why do you people want to collect it to Igbos? Now, since Nina, in fact, the evidence is there. Now, these people in my hand, last year December, Munai Batasi village, computer village or computer something na Lagos, Ebon Asofia. Do you know what these people did? Fejila Bane Bata. Wole caterpillar. In fact, ndi Igbo amala mi fele ndi Igbo amala mo ndi Igbo do ka tulu enwere onye nche ndi Igbo do scattered. Oluona abane na December gana my page on my YouTube or my Facebook ga fia na abane aduga 24 December night. Ebe some people but our village na celebrate Christmas na their village. Oluona abane ndi wole caterpillar wole bata demolish that place. Mando ngwa afia n'ime shop fa onye ọ na-eme anya ka ọmana ihe na-aga na everybody feel it, I don't care. Onye ọbụla everybody feel it, I don't care. Mgbe ha demolish that place niile nke ha aga like that, another place fa na-ewe ndị Igbo na-eme ka atụrụ enwere onye nche na Lagos. They are treating Igbos like a coward in Lagos. They are maltreating Igbos in fact ka bastard ka atụrụ enwere onye nche. They are doing all those things. How many times? Kandibo, I'm not talking about Ndono Lagos, even though Ndono New Naba. I'm not talking about Anambra as a home. One village in Anambra, the youth or the people, you got 1,000 people or 500 people may protest. What governor Wike Muma Song and what governor Sanwo-Olu na kusi haneme. Nobody, people are not doing it. If you on social media, may not go on. Yes. If ndị Igbo pass na social media bụ iko nwefe ọnụ drag onya create a that is what they are doing on social media. Look at it. We came trying to he has started demolition na Abuja, and that demolition had a madro genuine all political power can have that place. Now those people rise up doing protests. We no agree. Obuna since ya Sonwolu bido ne demolish uno ndi Igbo na Lagos. Obuna ndi Igbo wele one mind me protest one offer ha ga mana ndi Igbo mo ife mana nke abụ onye ọ na-emechi ọnụ I don't care. Also obulu ozu onye ọzọ dịka obukwu akwụ something like that. Do you see what Igbos are doing to themselves? Look at this, in at this screen. Protesting, most of you are more that time. Yes. My own protest, most of you people are more mamu. I just keep quiet. I'm just about to make my own protest. Some put up my protest and the capacity power to the cloud. Because somebody behind the protest, they found a moment in Lagos. They will, some of them may request money from me, and I have no one to give them. But Ndibo, I don't know what is happening to Ndibo. I'm not going to do Ndibo, man. Ndibo, the Catholic in Nigeria. I just scattered. No love. I don't know what is happening to these people. I'm not going to do Ndibo, man. In fact, that is one now they cannot sometimes. Or didn't hard voice. Because I don't know what I want. Maybe here minds. I don't know. I will end up this message. When I do get this message, only thing you do just share this message. But the main topic if I'm now. Look at these Hausa people. They came out and do protest. Tell Governor Wikem, Senator Wikem, he should stop what he is doing in Abuja. They demolish Uno. Now, how many times can the Igbos smell the protest? Because the house is on the demolition in Lagos. Aye, all the too much. My shops, all the too much. I want to come for the other time. All the cable, others 5 o'clock. Oje Mesha na that area. Fabius Bogwando no that place that we want to demolish this place. Oh yeah, pack your goods and go. I'm telling you what happened in Lagos. Osbo, I saw the video on social media. If I came with an middle last year or this year, other end of last year or this year. But the thing happened this year. 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock, they are closing time. They just came and tell them, you want to demolish all these places, pack your goods and go. If some of them are unable to their goods because they want to demolish it. They are doing all those things, maltreating Igbos in Lagos. Gang up in a protest. What Governor look at me. I came out. Because these two people, my hand, because immediately Tinubu become the president of Nigeria. Demolition a video. In fact, Ndibo, though I put the most, I not why the most wisest people in Nigeria, but now if when I say behave, I need behave like most finished people in Nigeria. I'm telling you the truth. The most finished tribe in Nigeria, the kind of thing I name, the kind of thing I name. Let me end this video here.